What are you doing?
Florence and I were just taking a nature walk.
Yes, a nature walk. Great idea.
What's that?
Oh, this is my very own just-in-time pocket, like yours.
You mean just-in-case pocket?
Oh, right. Anyway, it's got all kinds of useful stuff in it. Some string, a clothes peg, and, this.
Big, isn't it?
I borrowed it from my dad.
Wow.
Ooh.
It might be even better with some glass in it. Here, why don't you use mine?
Yours? Are you sure?
Of course. Sharing is what true friends do.
True friends.
Come here, rabbit.
Come on.
Huh?
Wake me up and I'll have you for lunch.
I didn't mean to wake you. It was an accident.
Come back here!
Yeah.
Ah! No!
That was close.
It was fun. Phew. Want to go on an adventure?
We're already on one. Look. Notice how it's shiny on top, but not on the bottom? Wow!
No, I said adventure.
Exactly. Today's adventure is a nature walk.
A what?
Yeah, you know, looking at leaves and trees and bugs.
But Mr. McGregor's garden is full of radishes right now, just waiting for us to...
Hey, Lily, why is it greener around the edges?
Because that's where the sunlight touched it. I know that for a fact.
Okay then, nature walk it is.
Yay!